We are making one pot chicken soup. Chicken is already washed. I add the onions, ginger paste, seasoning, carrots, pepper, salt, water.
This on the stove. Let's check back on our soup. Give it a quick stir. Make sure everything is cooking evenly. We will add about 2 cups of water, 3 cups. Add your fresh tomatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, lower heat to medium.
We'll take out the tomatoes and the carrots out of the pot.
It's time to take out the tomatoes and the carrots and blend it into the soup. Rinse the blender. Give the soup a quick stir and leave it for about 10 minutes and it to be ready to be served. Our chicken soup is ready and this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you try this. This is so delicious, and tell me about that in the comments section. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe to our channel. We're coming up with another recipe, and it's going to be a new recipe. Bye-bye.
An amazing one too. Bye-bye.
Red velvet cake.